All right. Good morning, everyone. This is Al Powell. I just want to thank you guys for tuning in to the channel again. Listen, guys, we got some very, very exciting things to talk about today. I shared with you earlier that I launched, you know, um, QQQI and I'm investing $500 every single week. So I want to welcome you guys to the channel. Today I deployed an additional $500 my weekly deployment. So let's go through this. I think you're going to find this very exciting. If you guys are looking to invest on a consistent basis, follow me on this channel. Make sure you see something that excites you here today. Make sure you smash the like button and let's go. And also, I would love for you to register to the channel. First of all, I want you guys to look at this. Just take a look at this. My goal here is to invest to purchase 500 shares of QQQI. That's my goal. That's a realistic goal that I set. I'm also going to share with you guys today exactly when I started, where I'm at right now. So my goal is to get to 500 shares, 279 more to go. And actually, a few weeks that went by since then, I'm actually up a little bit more than that, So I invest $500 every single week. Consistent discipline, focused. That's what I refer to as being consistently consistent. And if you want to make money and if you want to reach your goal, you have to be consistently consistent. Time in the market is what makes you money. I'm not a trader. I tried being a trader before, but now at this point in my life, based on my age, I'm not a trader. I'm an investor. I want to show you how to generate retirement income. 500 shares is the next major milestone to the road to my financial freedom. And of course, guys, I retired some time ago. I'm retired U.S. Air Force. I think many of you guys remember me telling you this. But where did my journey start? My journey started December the 23rd. I bought my first shares of QQQI. And you can see here, I purchased 29 shares of QQQI at the market price of $54.97. Think about this. This is sort of like a little Christmas present for me. Bought it just prior to Christmas, the day before Christmas Eve. Imagine that. It cost me $1,594.28. Stay with me here, guys. So the market price of QQQI as yesterday was $56.28. 56.28. Now, um, my current shares, I told you I was a little bit off on the current shares. My current shares right now, I have 277.65 shares. The account value as of yesterday was $15,628.74. My total return on this account since December of last year, it's $1,279. So now that's not taken in consideration my total dividends that I have earned so far is $363.51. Think about this, guy. My average cost is $51.68. The price of QQQI right now is $56.28. So think about this, guy. This thing has been revving up, but I know that I'm missing out somewhat on the upside of the tech stocks. However, I'm building a monthly residual income. and I'm able to capture a little bit of upside. 8.92% return so far. And again, the dividend, $363.51. So why I'm excited about QQQI also, they have a market cap of $12.8 billion with a B. You heard me correctly. They have a dividend yield of 13.18%. The expense ratio compared to some out there may be a little bit high for, in some people's opinion, 0.68%. But I tell you what, guys, what you get in return, I feel so grateful that, it's 0.68% with a 13+% dividend yield, which is absolutely amazing. Now watch this. The last close was $56.98. But the 52-week low has been $47.87. This is why I'm excited about dollar cost averaging in, because when the market is up, I'm buying a few less shares. But when the market is down, I buy more shares. Now, this is my last payout. My last payout was May 22nd, 2026, $157.69. Now, I'm going to show you where I started at, guys. It wasn't much at all. But when I look at that, guys, $157.69, listen, it's not a whole lot of money. But I tell you what, it's a start. And everyone have to start out somewhere. I didn't want to go all in. That's why I started out just saying, well, you know what? I'm just going to dollar cost average on a weekly basis. And that's exactly what I've been doing. So now, when I look at this, today's return down $195, no big deal. Look, guys, total return 8.90%. That's as of today, ladies and gentlemen. Up 8.9% return. Can I get that kind of return by parking my money in a savings account? No, I'm not going to get those kind of returns, guys. I don't have to, I can access money without spending my capital. So this is amazing to me. So now, look at this. December the 23rd, that's when this all started, guys. Again, I started with 29 shares for $1,594. Back in December, the price was $54.97. So again, $18.60, what I bought in at. My first dividend, rather, was $18.60. So think about it. In 6 months, I'd gone from $18.60 to where I am today, which is absolutely amazing. Now, $18 may not seem like a lot, but I tell you what, it's the first one that got me excited. So I'm jumping up and down that I saw the first payout on this. And again, guys, after my purchase today, my dividend, my number of shares actually went up to 286.50 shares. So I now have 286 shares. Remember what the goal was. The goal is to get to 500 shares. That's when I implement phase 2 of what I'm doing. I'm going to diversify even more. I don't want to just be tied just into the NASDAQ tech stock. I'm going to diversify even more. But again, this is a very, very good run. This is my first 6 months. And then we start in July, I go into my second 6 months of the year. This is what consistent look like, guys. All you have to do, go to whatever brokerage you happen to use, go in there and schedule it. Schedule what it is. It doesn't have to be. If a person can't afford to do $500 a week, what if you did $5 a week? What if you did $50 per week? As long as you are consistently consistent. I've been consistently consistent with this schedule. So look at here. But I want you to see what we're talking about as the price change. March 27, and again, I purchase every single Wednesday, every Wednesday. So on March 27, 2026, you can see, which was today. Well, that's not today. That was a month ago. On May 27, I bought 8.77 shares. The price was $56.96. Fast forward 1 week later, June 3rd, I bought 8.64 shares, a tad bit less because the price was a little bit higher at $57.82. And then what I want you to look at, I want you to look at June 10th. I was able to buy more shares because the price dipped to $54.76. Same dollar amount, but now I was able to hit more than 9 shares for that week. Now, um, today's purchase, which I'm jumping up and down about, today is the 17th, 8.85 shares at $56.45. So again, all we're doing is dollar cost averaging in. And if you're consistently consistent, guys, I promise you, you will reach your financial goal, whatever it is. So stay with me. Next week, I will give another update. Actually, I may give another update tomorrow because I believe the dividend payout is actually going to be tomorrow. Tomorrow is the dividend payout for QQQI. Now, um, so now I see the dividend will increase tomorrow. That's exciting. Every single month, it just so happened the 18th is the scheduled date that it's going to pay out this time around. So on that note, I want to thank all of you guys for joining me here today. And I'm off to a very good start. Cheer me on, guys. I'm cheering all of you on if you're just starting your journey. But this is Investing with Al. And I really, really appreciate you guys. And again, see you on the next Zoom. Thank you so much.